All right, hi guys, welcome to the kitchen at Watkins Way. Today we're going to make a BLT, and you're probably looking at me going like, what's so special about a BLT? We're going to make the BLT with fried green tomatoes. Don't go away. All right, so let's get busy with our BLT with fried green tomatoes. I got a tomato at the farmer's market this morning in Laguna Beach. And see how firm it is? That's what you want to get. If you get one that's kind of mushy, when you fry it, it will be mushy. So this is pretty firm. And we're just gonna make some nice slices here for our BLT. And so I'm gonna lay these over here. They got a lot of liquid in them and they fry better if you get some of the liquid out of them. So we're gonna put a little salt on them. All right, so let's talk about our ingredients. We got iceberg lettuce, put on there. We got some mayonnaise. I got some buttermilk, and I got cornmeal right here. And you know what I'm gonna do? I got some, when I fried this bacon up this morning, I'm gonna put bacon grease in here with our Crisco. You know, give it a little Watkins Way. I always put bacon or butter. So anyway, we're about ready to get these going. We're going to soak them in our buttermilk. And sometimes I use half panko breadcrumbs. Sometimes I use half and half cornmeal and breadcrumbs. So let's put these in here like that. I got my Crisco and my bacon grease cooking at 350 degrees. And that's what we're going to do. It takes about 3 minutes per side of this. So here we go. Like I said, about 3 minutes on that. That bacon grease is really going to give it some pretty good flavor. So we're going to use iceberg lettuce. I don't like the outside that much. I'm going to get inside here. And that's going to be for our sandwich. So I made some sourdough bread that we're going to use for our sandwich. And we're going to top it off with that. I put some butter on it so I can grill it on the grill pan. Okay, our fried green tomatoes, we did 3 minutes on one side. We've done 3 minutes on the other side. And there's a lot of oil in here, bacon grease, I mean. So we're gonna just set that on the paper towels and let it drain. And probably only gonna need 2 for our sandwich. And I'm not real happy with that one there also. Yeah. I'll let the cameraman eat that later. So anyway, let's put together our sandwich. So what we're gonna do, we got some sourdough bread. We're gonna I put butter on this side and grilled it. So now we're gonna put mayonnaise on this side. Do that, and then we got our iceberg lettuce. Put that right in here. And we're gonna take our green tomato. Place that right there. Another green tomato right here. We got our applewood smoked bacon. 3 slices of that. We're gonna put the thick end down there. Now we're gonna flip this over and some more mayonnaise on this side. This is really good. It's a good sandwich. All right. Now put this together. Get my serrated knife and cut it into it. All right. Fried green tomato BLT. So I got to sample this, so bear with me here for a second. I'm not going to be able to say anything after I eat this. God. That's really good. Stay with us. I'm thirsty. Gonna make a classic cocktail. Don't go away. All right, we just finished our BLT made with fried green tomatoes. And so I'm trying to think, what kind of drink do I want to have with this? I'm gonna make a Gibson. So here we go. We're gonna use Beefeater gin. And I'm gonna do about an 8 count. And I'm gonna use just a little bit of dry vermouth. That's probably enough right there. And then we're gonna shake it. I'm not gonna stir it, we're gonna shake it. Make sure I got a tight fit. All right. And I'm gonna show you the reason it's gonna be a Gibson. We chilled our martini glass. I put that in the freezer for a little bit. Make it chilled. All right, here's the reason it's gonna be a Gibson. Pearl onions is a Gibson. If we take the onions out and if we put the olives in, we got a martini. And if we put a little olive juice in, we got a Dirty Martini. So now let's see how it tastes. So good. See you guys later. I'm out of here.